Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, and you already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, the N. I'm your host P5KP equals MC squared, and it's another episode of And Also. Today we're at the Past Times. Remember I did a video back in the day, I say back in the day, last summer I think, maybe 2 summers ago, I can't remember, time's flying. But anyway, this is part 2, they're back, it's bigger, it's better, and yeah, I'm going to walk you through and show you what they got. Alright, peace. As you can see, the storefront now, bigger, better, again, and you take you inside. Let's go. Got the coffee going on, got the tacos on the grizzle, you know what I mean? Alright, so let's take you through. As usual, you know the fleece game is crazy. Always fleeces on fleek. A lot of fleeces. Dope. You got your Nike fleeces. You got Stussy. I never said Stussy. What do you guys say? Stussy, etc. Your Cavent stuff. Of course, you know, the little satchel and side bag games on point. You know what I mean? Little iceberg joints. You know what I'm saying? Little Prada joints. You see how it goes. Flip onto the accessories table on Coutomons. You know what I mean? Little Fendi, little Stony brick there. That's cute. What's that going for? 75. Interesting. David Napes. Little cushions for all you know, extravagant, exclusive motherfuckers. Little Chanel, I actually really like this. Some good kits here. Got a nice little Prada joint there. That bag's really nice, that satchel. Prada satchel, very nice. I like that. Let's take a stroll. As you can see, we've got some bits there, flat jackets, little Stony flat jackets, some mosh. Let me take you around. We've got a dope little Stony there. I'll take you around. Jackets. More jackets. Like from here, got the little Pradas. Nice little Stony bit right there. Drop on shit. That's nice. I like that. And then of course, got the Stony rail. You've got mixed vintage, new. You've got the Stone Island Marina. This one's made in Italy. They've actually got another one downstairs which has the Stone Island Marina on the back. It's a t-shirt, but it's a bit more of a, I think it's a more fitted. What size is this? Alright, large. So it might not necessarily be more fitted, but that one's a medium, and the cut seems to be a little bit different. And look, you've got some old, 80s joint. Look at that, embroidered XL, so for that oversized kind of look. fire. Got this 1996 made in Italy joint. Very, very soft. Super nice. Super soft actually. Very soft. You know when you want to buy something just because of how it feels? Yeah, that. Dope. You know what I mean? Some more vintage bits. Purple. A nice colour. See the spell out there. Looks very nice. Got some bits, you know what I mean? Some more stony bits. I'll just slide through for y'all. That's a nice colour. I'm sure that was proper vivid. 90 squidded. Got a little, I don't know what that is, wall? Little wall thing there. Little shoulder badge joint. See the button there. This cardigan. Do like that. We've got all kinds of joints, little turtleneck, what do you call that? Is that a mock turtleneck? I'm not even sure, a little 90s joint, look at the colour on that, super dope. Ribbed, so that will come with a green edge badge, really nice. I just don't like the neck, and it's a bit big, but yeah, the neck is the thing for me. Oh, that's soft. Very soft. I'd cop that just for how it feels. 80 quid. It's not bad at all. And it's super, super soft. Nice little panel. The moths have been at that. The moths have been at that. Very nice. Little cardi. Here you got 80s little joint here. See that? You see the little marina neck right there. I've actually got a 90s piece just like this. It's silk, made of 100% silk. I'm not sure what this is. Made in Italy. That one is, yeah, just like this, but it's a cardigan. Super nice, super delicate. Part of the gang over there. Oh, that feels so good. What's that, Armani? 195, that feels good, man. Super dope. Stone Island 30 Annie. See that when the light shines on, it comes to life. No badge, but it's dope. 120. 120. Might be worth it. It's well made. Proper bits. This. Don't know if it's made in Italy. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. Made in Italy. You can see proper quality. Nice. Heavy. Little banana medicine. Yellow cardigan right there. Yeah, so as you can see, in a way.
Sorry, bro.
Nah. Got your jumbo cords here, varying colours. Overshirts, I've got the jacket of this. The blue colour. Nice little overshirt look. That is really nice. It's heavyweight. It's faded, but it's nice. It's not bad. Not bad at all. probably re-dye that and that will come out super, super nice. You know what I mean? Super duper pink. You got your colours, and then obviously you got your reds, you got your blues, browns, orange, beige, yellows, super colours. You know what I mean? I've got some nice colours in here. Some really nice bits. This colour is super dope. Made in Italy joint right there, as you can see. Right there, made in Italy. Very nice. The colour is nice. Again, I'm sort of trying not to buy stuff just for buying sake, but this is really nice. That's super dope. Big boy jackets, proper bits, you know what I mean? Look at that. Super, super. I'm not really into, I really like the jacket as in when I see people in it, but it's not something I would wear. I'm just not really, I don't mind if this was on my feet as, you know, an Air Max 1 or something, I'd rock it, but not really into sort of the animal print on a jacket. I don't think, not for me. You've got your Quantum Pertex right here, down jacket, feels super amazing. Yeah, I try not to buy down, you know, shout out to my guy, you know what I mean, Naka 23. Yeah, I try not to buy down, but it's all good. Each to their own, but we've got to do a little bit better. Great jacket here, you know what I mean, little mesh badge joint, super nice. Gotta love it. Very, very nice. What's the price on this? Tickets down below. $6.25. Not bad, not bad. Got me nice little bits. Little Formula Steel. And some of them old school joint. $3.35 from 1996 that is. This one is, I saw something that was Stone Island Golf, I think downstairs, or it might have been this actually, yeah it was this. Look at that, Stone Island Golf, and it's 1988, look at that, that's mad, isn't it? And if you look, it's got the CP company label in there, because it's obviously from 98, it's spare bag, you see that? CP company label. Of course you got these. Nice. $6.45. Long ones. You don't really see the long ones much, but be okay. But yeah, super nice. Yeah, man, a whole bunch of stuff. Stone Island Supreme. The cordial joint. I actually really like this alligator. I know I just said I don't really like the animal print, but I think the alligator is a bit different. Little fishtail as well. I would cop this jacket, but do I need another jacket? No. But do I want another jacket? Yes. And to be honest, this is a bit of me. I can't front. It's not bad. 400. Yeah. It's in great shape. Great shape, like material, boom. It's just a dope jacket, man. Fishtail as well. I'm really thinking about it all of a sudden. I saw it before, but I was like, I don't. But now I'm filming it and I'm seeing it on camera. I need to think. Stay away, stay away. I put it orange on that. I put it orange on that. It's mad, isn't it? It's bright. Beautiful. I thought that was, look at the orange on this. It's even more vivid. You know what I mean? You got your sun. You got your mountains. You got a bit of red earth. And then you got your water or your sky. You know what I'm saying? Take that one, boom. Boom jacket. I'm not into this, but it's a proper jacket. You know, how much is it going for? 780. I think it's the full set as well. So he's got the full set. It's got the inners. I think it's the full set. Is there another bit to that? Yeah. Super nice. Dutch rope. Bit more Formula steel. It also has, is it here? Yeah, it is. I think further along. You come here. A little 40th Annie. I know. I actually paid a little over the odds for this. I should have been a bit patient, but it's all good. I'm not sure what the price on this is. It doesn't actually say, but it's probably about $9.50, I'm guessing. This is super nice. Super nice. Shadow project. Got a little bag right there. Super nice. Got some pockets. Too nifty. It's nice, but winter's coming. I don't need a soft vest. This is nice. Little shadow. Thick vest, 150. Again, you got your 40th Stone Island Marina belt. Of course, you've got the little opaque. See, large 750. So nice. Long one, not the short one. And some more bits.